What's up, fellow TikTokers, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, people? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your clips from your streams to a vertical format. I'll throw a couple of examples up on screen now so you guys know what I'm talking about. And yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is grab a clip from your stream. I'm just going to grab my most popular clip, which is Dawson sucking on some Schmeat. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. So once you downloaded that, you're going to open up Premiere Pro. If you don't have Premiere Pro, there is many different ways on how to get it. I can't really explain how, but just search it up on the internet and you'll find it. So you're just going to create a new project. Just click yes on this. Once it's all good to go, you're just going to import your clip just like so, and it should pop up in the bottom left corner like this. All you're going to do is drag the clip over to this timeline. Now before you do anything with the clip, what you're going to do is go to the top left of the screen and click on sequence settings, and where it says frame size, it depends on what you streamed in. So for me, I streamed in the 720p during this time. So all you need to do is flip the vertical number to the horizontal number and vice versa, just like this. Don't touch anything else and then click OK. The next thing you want to do is hold down left alt and left click and drag this up, and then it will duplicate the layer, and then you're just going to repeat that. Once you have 3 video files, for the first video, all you want to do is scale the image up to fill the whole screen like that, and then click on effects and search up Gaussian blur, and it should pop up right here, and then you just add it to the clip, and it's really your preference, but for me, I just add 30. So now your background should look like this. For the top clip, what you want to do is just disable it with the eyeball, and then for the second clip, what you want to do is scale it up enough to where you don't see your webcam anymore, and then lower the vertical axis on the game so you'll have enough room for your webcam at the top of the screen. And then for your top video, you're going to re-enable the clip, scale it up to where you want your webcam size to be at. So for me, I like to keep the whole webcam in, and I don't like to cut off any of it, so something like this is good for me. And then just position it to the top. The next thing you want to do is go into your effects again and search up crop, and then add crop to the top video. You're going to want to mess with left, top, right, bottom, and try to cut out your webcam. So all you have to do is just drag the numbers over until it's cropped out. You want to make sure that you're getting precise, so you just want to drag down this window so you can really see what you're doing. You can also type in the amount that you want, so you just go back and forth until you get it to where you want it. So now I have my webcam completely cut out, and then you want to make sure that your camera is centered. Next thing you want to do is cut up your clip. So what you want to do is highlight all the clips, right click, and then click a link, and then you're going to go to the razor tool, and then to cut out clips, you just click on one spot and then click it later down the timeline, and then just highlight those files and then click delete, and then you can left click where that empty timeline is, click delete again, so then the clip later on will go to the clip earlier on. And that's pretty much how most streamers do their clips. But if you want to spice up your clips a little more, you can simply just add text by clicking on the type tool and then subtitling yourself. But for this demonstration, I'm not going to do that because I'm kind of lazy. And then to render your clip, all you have to do is click on File, Export, and Media. This screen should pop up, and then simply click Export. And here's the final product.
Yo, look at this guy's in my face.
Holy
Just like that.
oh my god. I'm like, holy. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds to do, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.